Hello, this is Adam, and today I'm going to show you how to incorporate an image into a Google slide as well as provide the appropriate attribution statement. I am already in Google Slides and I have created my slide. This is all the information I need, however I would like to add an image here. So to do that I'm going to use Flickr. I already have that pulled up here, flickr.com, and I have inserted my search information. I'm looking for something having to do with digital footprint. For this exercise, I'm going to change the license to Creative Commons. And it's going to give me a different set of pictures, and I really like this one of the footprint. So let's click on that. And here we see our footprint image. I think that will work well. First step is to download the image. So we're going to go here and download. I'm going to download it as a small image. Save that. Now I will go back to my Google slide and just simply drag and drop the image onto my Google slide. I can take a moment to position it. Great. Now we need to give the artist his proper credit for the image that was taken. So let's go back to Flickr, and here on the page with the image I see the title of the image. It's called Footprint. The artist's name is Colm Britton, and I see that there are some rights reserved, and Mr. Britton would like to be attributed for his work, as we see in this icon here. So let's do just that. Alright, let's go back to our slides. I'm going to open up a text box, and I'm going to put it underneath the image. Let's start with the title. The title is Footprint. I'm going to then put the word by, and then the artist's name. Then I'm going to type licensed by. And to get the licensing, I'm going to go back to Flickr, click on Some Rights Reserved, and that's going to open up a new window. And here we see that it is Creative Commons by 2.0. So we will type that onto our slide as well. By CC by 2.0. Great. So we have all the information, but I would like to take a step further and hyperlink all of this information so that other people who see the image may want to check out Mr. Britton's work. Alright, let's go back to Flickr, and we are going to copy the entire URL for this image. So on the Mac it's going to be Command-C. Go back to Google Slide. I will highlight the title and click on the Insert Link icon. Command-V, paste, and apply. And there we go. That is hyperlinked. Let's do the same for Mr. Britton. Let's highlight his name. Go back to our image, and here we're going to click on his name, Colm Britton. This will take us to his page. And we again will copy the URL, go to Insert Link, paste the URL, and apply. One last thing, we're going to hyperlink the Creative Commons license. So we will highlight it, go to our Creative Commons page, highlight the URL, copy, Command-C, Insert Link, Command-V to paste, and apply. Great. The only thing left we may want to do is try to resize this to make it not as visible. We want people to pay attention to the information on the slide primarily. We can highlight and change the font. And move it over just a little bit more. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much.